Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to download PowerPoint as images and PDFs. So the first thing I'm going to do is select File, and then click Save As. Here you'll be given all the different options of how you can save your PowerPoint. You can either download as an image or a PDF. So I'm going to select Download as PDF. And now my file has been downloaded as a PDF and can be found at the download bar on the bottom of my screen. From there, the PDF can be inserted into your board by clicking Insert File at the bottom of your space. I am then going to locate the PDF on my computer. Once it's selected, I'm going to click Upload. And a new board will automatically be created with your PDF on the screen. If I want to download a PowerPoint as an image, the same process applies, so I'm going to click File, Save As, and then select Download as Image. I can now upload my image to my space by selecting Insert File, choose Image, locating the image on my computer, and uploading it. A new board will automatically be created with the image on my screen. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button at the top right corner of your screen.